Hey guys, so I was looking here on Reddit, like what is the best settings that you can get for your SteelSeries Arctic Nova Pro for your PS5, and this is something that I found, so I'll try it out, maybe it's going to be good. Under the settings tab on PS5, go to sound, 3D audio, headphones, enable 3D audio, and here is the numbers per EQ. -5, -2, -2.5, -2, -3, +5.5, +10, +10, +10, +10. So pause this video and have it like that, and this is also how it looks like. Look at that. So also on your Nova Pro base, both go to audio options and see options, transparency and turn on. I have mine at 10 and it really gave my ears some breathing room and didn't feel as weighty, which I like. Check it out and see what you think. So yeah, try this out, maybe it's going to be good.